Unveiling the colorful world of candle dyes. Now that you've explored the captivating realm of molds and envisioned the shapes your candles will take, let's dive into the vibrant world of candle dyes. These colorful elixirs hold the power to transform your creations from simple wax forms into visually stunning masterpieces. With a spectrum of colors at your disposal, you can craft candles that complement your decor, evoke a specific mood, or create a personalized touch for any occasion. Understanding candle dyes, a color chemist's dream. Candle dyes are concentrated pigments specifically formulated for coloring candle wax. Unlike traditional dyes used for fabrics or food, candle dyes need to withstand the high temperatures involved in the wax melting process. They also need to blend seamlessly with the wax and remain suspended throughout the candle, ensuring a consistent and vibrant color all the way through. Here's a breakdown of the two main types of candle dyes. Liquid dyes. These concentrated liquid dyes offer a vibrant and easy-to-use option for coloring your wax. They come in a wide range of colors, allowing you to create everything from soft pastels to bold and eye-catching hues. Liquid dyes typically disperse well in melted wax, requiring only a few drops to achieve the desired color intensity. A dropper bottle allows for precise measurement and control, minimizing the risk of overcoloring your candle. Dye chips. These solid dye chips offer another way to add color to your wax. They are generally more economical than liquid dyes, but they require a bit more effort to use. Here's the process. 1. Shavings or grating. Using a knife, grater, or food processor, break the dye chips into smaller pieces or shavings. The finer the pieces, the easier they will disperse in the wax. 2. Melting the wax. While the wax is melting, gradually add the grated dye chips. Here comes the patience part. It's crucial to stir the wax continuously until all the dye chips have melted completely and the color is evenly distributed. This can take some time, so be prepared to stir diligently. Choosing the right dye. Considerations for candle makers. With a vast array of colors to choose from, selecting the perfect dye for your candle creation can feel like standing before a rainbow. Here are some helpful factors to consider. Desired color intensity. Do you dream of a soft and subtle hint of color, or are you aiming for a bold and impactful statement? Liquid dyes generally offer more vibrant color payoff, while dye chips might require more to achieve the same level of intensity. Start with a small amount of dye and gradually add more until you reach the desired color. Wax compatibility. Always ensure the dye you choose is compatible with the type of wax you're using. Some dyes are specifically formulated for soy wax, while others work best with paraffin wax or a blend. Using an incompatible dye can lead to unpredictable results, such as color bleeding or uneven dispersion. Check the manufacturer's recommendations for both the dye and the wax to ensure compatibility. Light fastness. Consider how much exposure your candle will have to sunlight. Some dyes, particularly brighter colors, may fade over time if exposed to direct sunlight. If your candle is intended for a sunny location, choose a light fast dye that will resist fading and maintain its vibrancy. Opacity. Liquid dyes are typically transparent, allowing some light to pass through the wax. This can create a beautiful translucent effect. Dye chips, on the other hand, can be opaque or transparent depending on the specific dye. Opaque dyes will completely block out light, resulting in a solid color throughout the candle. Creative color techniques. Experimentation is key. The world of candle coloring is your canvas to explore. Once you've mastered the basics, don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques to create unique and eye-catching effects. Layering. Pour different colored wax layers into your mold to create a beautiful striped or ombre effect. Play with contrasting or complementary colors for a truly stunning visual. Swirling. For a more organic and mesmerizing look, try swirling colors together after pouring them into the mold. Use a chopstick or a small spoon to gently swirl the colors without overmixing them. Color blocking. Create a modern and bold statement with color blocking. Pour sections of different colored wax into your mold, allowing each layer to harden slightly before pouring the next. This technique works best with geometric molds for a clean and defined look. Marbling. For a truly unique and artistic effect, try marbling. Drip small amounts of different colored dyes onto the surface of the melted wax in your pouring pitcher. Marbling, continued, gently swirl the wax with a chopstick or spoon, just enough to create veins of color without completely mixing everything together. Pour this marbled wax into your mold and watch the magic unfold as the colors blend and swirl organically. Two-tone candles. For a classic and elegant look, create a two-tone candle. Pour a layer of one color into your mold, allowing it to harden completely. Then, carefully pour a contrasting or complementary color on top, creating a distinct separation between the two tones. Colored containers. Don't limit yourself to coloring the wax itself. For a unique touch, consider using colored candle containers. These are available in a variety of materials and colors, allowing you to create beautiful candles without the need for dyes. You can even paint or decorate clear containers to achieve your desired look. Embeds and inclusions. Take your candle creations to the next level with embeds and inclusions. These are decorative elements that are embedded within the wax as the candle is poured. You can use colored wax shapes, dried flowers, herbs, spices, coffee beans, or even small toys to create truly one-of-a-kind candles. Just ensure the embeds you choose are fire-safe and won't burn or melt at a lower temperature than the wax. Safety first, a word of caution. While candle dyes are generally safe for use, it's always wise to prioritize safety. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Ventilation. When working with candle dyes, ensure proper ventilation in your workspace. Open windows or use a fan to keep the air circulating and avoid inhaling any dye fumes. Skin contact. Candle dyes can stain skin. Wear gloves to protect your hands from accidental contact. If you do get dye on your skin, wash it off immediately with soap and water. Eye protection. While uncommon, splashes or spills can happen. Consider wearing safety glasses to protect your eyes from any potential contact with dye. Children and pets. Keep candle dyes and colored wax out of reach of children and pets. They may mistake them for candy or toys, leading to accidental ingestion. Beyond the rainbow, dyes and fragrance. The relationship between candle dyes and fragrances is an interesting one. Certain fragrances can sometimes affect the color of your dye. For example, some essential oils, particularly those with strong colors like citrus oils, can interact with the dye and cause slight color variations. It's always a good idea to test a small batch of your colored wax with the chosen fragrance before proceeding with your entire candle project. Candle dye resources. Exploring further. As you delve deeper into the world of candle making and explore the colorful possibilities of dyes, here are some resources to keep you inspired. Online candle making communities. Join online forums and communities dedicated to candle making. Connect with other candle enthusiasts, share your creations, and learn from their experiences. These communities are often treasure troves of tips, tricks, and inspiration for using candle dyes in creative ways. Candle making blogs and websites. Many websites and blogs offer valuable information on candle making, including in-depth articles on using candle dyes. These resources can provide detailed tutorials on specific color techniques, troubleshooting tips, and recommendations for high-quality dyes. Candle making classes and workshops. Consider enrolling in a candle making class or workshop. This is a fantastic way to learn from experienced professionals, ask questions, and gain hands-on experience with different techniques, including using candle dyes. The power of color in candle making. Candle dyes are more than just coloring agents, they are powerful tools for transforming your creations into works of art. By understanding the different types of dyes available, choosing the right colors for your project, and experimenting with creative techniques, you can unlock a whole new dimension in your candle making journey. So, embrace the vibrant world of color, let your imagination soar, and create candles that not only illuminate your space but also captivate the senses. We've compiled a comprehensive list of recommended supplies, high-quality products perfect for beginners. Simply keep an eye out for the button below the video that says Candle Dyes for this course. With a single click, you'll be well on your way to gathering everything you need to bring your candle making dreams to life.